Hey guys, I know some people are having a little bit of trouble with this math from yesterday, so I wanted to just do a quick screenshot video to hopefully help you get started. So in order to plot the points, you must do this part first before you can answer the question. So you are going to double click in this area, which will open up this drawing screen. So you'll see it says drawing at the top, and then you have these colored dots right here. So this information right here, the months and the inches, is your coordinate point. Remember, that's the point that we plot on the graph. So the green dot says 6 months, 7 inches. So your coordinate point is 6, 7. So I'm going to click on the green dot, and I'm going to come down here to, first I go to the month, 6 months. I do the run, the left to right. Then I'm going to plot the height in inches, which is 7 inches. So I'm going to come up here to 6, 7 right here, and I'm going to drop the point. So I have 6, 7. Then I'm going to come to the next dot. It is 8 months, 8 inches. So I'm going to click on the light blue. I'm going to drag it down here to 8, 8. Okay, and then I'm going to keep going on. So you must plot all the points first. Click on the colored dots, drag it down. And then when you get done with that, you are going to come back up here to save and close. So once you save and close back out here on your document, it will have the points where you plotted them. Then you will scroll down to the questions. The first one is done for you. And then you are going to answer questions 2, 3, and 4 based on the points that you have just plotted. I hope that helps.